Let's talk about Cosmos Atom targets updates with my customer set. Guys, basically we landed again inside 27 block. I'm not count this huge weak candle. It's happening only on the Binance. I don't know what's the point to have the liquidation on futures, which affect the price on the spot. So I have no idea how they correlate, because it's not logical. People gamble with the leverages and their position liquidated on a futures account. Why it affect the price on the spot? Because if someone get liquidations on the futures, but on the spot nobody's selling it, there is no seller pressure, no buyer, no seller. The price should be stable on the same place. So it's kind of weird how the exchange, it creates the futures trades and the spot trades, but the price always correlate. It's kind of weird. So they always hunt the liquidations of the long and short position, but people react on a spot with their spot position. So it's kind of mind blowing how this industry works absolutely unlogical way. All right, guys, take a look. The FIB, here's everything absolutely relevant. I'm not count this huge weak candle because on other exchanges, we not dump that low. But it's not only about the Binance. On other exchanges, for example, yesterday I analyzed the Arbitrum. I guess on some exchanges it dumped it lower than on the Binance. So it's always totally different. With different exchanges. So monthly gap, guys, I believe the atom will recover back if the atom will recover back, and I hope the atom will not do some rebranding, because it's going to be the worst case move, whatever is possible, right? Because if they will go and rebrand and change the ticket name, it's going to be just a horrible move. You open the chart of FTM, the Sonic. So yes, they made a rebranding, just a fresh chart, but coin just going down, down, down. But of course, on a fresh chart, it not looks so awful, right? And Mantra also have a plan to make a rebranding with the new ticker. That's why, guys, we are just inside 27 block. So we count from that video, the last video what I posted, it was a potential new all-time highs, $47. So this is my take. End of cycle for the atom is 978 from that time when we analyzed it in Joule. From now it can be like 1,400. So around this one. Here's a zone of accumulation. Guys, I highly recommend you just go and open the first video about the atom. Check all zones. Yes, no one want to believe so one day the token will drop to 27 level, right? Not even the zone, because we traded a long-term period here. A lot of time we traded 3 or 4 months we traded inside accumulation block. After that, long-term period accumulation here around the 18 level fee, and nobody could believe so we will dump to $2.08. But we dump it on the Binance to 1 cent. And sweep the liquidity of COVID dump. Of course, for example, the Algorand also already dumped it even a year ago to historical all-time low. What I don't understand, guys, what exactly that project deliver? So what they're working on? So that's the biggest question personally for me. So you understand what I mean? They post last 3 years. Keep building. We built something. We work. We get a lot of partnership. It's not about only Atom. A lot of altcoins build something, partnership with someone, some fundraising rounds, some new solutions, new upgrades. And at the end, it's not help the price of these tokens. So what's the point of that fancy marketing campaign? What they trying to sell us? What the point of that useless roadmap? Do you realize your roadmaps just make no sense? So that's the point. That's why, guys, better just a trade zone of interest, zone of distribution. So we are now in zone of interest. Can we drop to 1 cent in real? Yes, of course. Easily. The atom can be delisted. The Polka started delisted. Cardano delisted. Many projects delisted from the Binance. And atom is not some special token which can't be delisted because it's super fundamental. It was a fundamental, here while the price goes up. So everybody talk, oh yes, we pump it just because we're fundamental. We pump it just because of speculation. That's why we landed now to $2.08, $4.22 zone. This is basically usually accumulation zone. Up to your own risk, accumulate or not. Time to fix the profit. 100% pump, you withdraw your initial deposits. So for example, if you want to buy now or already bought at $4.22, $8.51, zero level, it will be your zone where you need to withdraw initial deposit, and that's it. and move on, right? So that's the point. And after that, the $20.41, it's 0.5 low by FIB. Zone where you need to fix a profit in fulfill of monthly gap 25.92, new all-time high 47.04. So this is it. So this is the targets. To buy now or not, it's up to you guys. I want to show you the updates with indicator set. What's going on now with the atom? Technically, we're in the accumulation zone. Here was the accumulation zone pump. Here's the accumulation zone pump. So we are now in the same zone, and with the biggest divergency ever. So imagine we formed the biggest divergency, yearly divergency, 3 years. Here, June 2022, September 2023, and October 2025. So this is the biggest divergency ever on the chart. Even on a monthly, or a weekly, or a yearly even chart. So it's bullish. So nice one. Direction showing us here some accumulation was here, so maybe now they will accumulate again. Monthly, this is what I don't like. We are in the middle. So this was a distribution. Now we around the all-time low in the middle. It's not a distribution, not accumulation. Direction at the bottom. No money inflow based on direction indicator, no money outflow. Market smooth. Definitely, guys, it's a capitulation zone on the weekly. Monthly, it's capitulation, so everything okay. Everything looks okay for Atom. Now for accumulation, if you believe in this project. Take a look there. Market mood, now it's disbelief, total disbelief, depression. This was optimism on market mood indicator, and now we dump it to the disbelief. Would be good, guys, to test, just to be honest, would be good to test the $2.08 again. Let's double check, by the way, here on crypto, so it's approximate a drop, so $2.08, yes, around here. $2.34 also can be the good time to potential end of correction. So if we use the week, $2.59, $2.39, $2.09. So this is a zone of correction for the Atom. Normal one if we not count that weak candle on the Binance. That's why $2.08, $2.59. So you saw just targets. Definitely we will go and test the yearly open at $6.20. Imagine here, since January, it's only 5. So this is a whole year of our journey in crypto. Weird. Imagine the full year, almost the year of our life, we wasted just with this stupid price action. And after that, at the end, we just wrecked. So this cycle, guys, I told you this cycle, even in 2022, already everybody understand the market. It's different. It's different because everything in the world changed. The geopolitics changed. The world rules changed, right? And it's kind of weird how at the end only retails wrecked. This is weird. That's why if you want, you can accumulate now with the target at least to $6.20. Take a look the money power. Money in now. It's good. It's bullish. Monthly, we're at the bottom, bullish, but without any money inflow. Daily, money inflow, bullish. Trade on. Daily, here was a sell. Fun fact, take a look. The sell signal was in Joule. Sometimes I need to trust more indicators than just the news and the media. Here is what's the take profit, of course, the buy, recommendation close position. I wish to see the $2.08 correction. Weekly time frame, no signals to buy or sell. Here was the buybacks. And the last indicator, guys, most important for us is take profit. It was the fundamental value of the token here. We trade now, try and hold the line on the weekly time frame for the fundamental value of this token. it's bullish if we hold it. Take profit line $7.90, exit line $8.92. Monthly time frame, I guess there is no data. Yes, daily. Here we can test the buy line 277, fundamental value 2 and 8, and 50% we can test of this range between the buy line and fundamental, so like $2.43. Now I'm not touch the atom. Take profit line 551, exit line is yearly open 620. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the corner what is your thoughts about the atom. If you like to trade, as my customer said, what showed in this video, use right medium. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.